Squeakers and Briella, are you guys painting the wall with your beans? Yeah, that. Did you do that? Squeakers do that? No, no, no. It's a painted table, yeah. Good job, Felicity. Look how dirty you are. You guys like your beans? Yay, we like beans, huh? Yay!